Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to log into Monopoly Go on your new phone. If you have just upgraded or switched phones, no worries, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First of all, make sure you have downloaded Monopoly Go from the Play Store on your new phone. Now, open the app. Once it's open, you will see two options. The blue option, Play with Friends, which is to log in with Facebook. You will also see the Facebook logo, and Play as Guest. If you want to log in, don't choose Play as Guest. Instead, select the blue Play with Friends option to log in with your Facebook account. After you tap on it, it will ask for your Facebook ID and password. Just enter your details. If you are already logged into Facebook on your phone, it will automatically log you in. Once you log in, your game progress will be restored and you are good to go. You can also log in through your Google account. To do this, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen, then tap on Settings, followed by Manage Account, and finally tap on Sign in with Google. Follow the prompts to log in with your Google account. And that's it. I hope this helped you log into Monopoly Go on your new phone. If it did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.